All right, so now we have our third layer of armor fully unlaid, and we are ready to bring down the third and final cone. And the driver. Okay, and we can now remove our hose clamp from here. And because this is the final layer of armor, we're going to want to be extra careful when we go to drive this last cone, and that we are not hitting the core with our hammer, putting marks in it or possibly scuffing it. So just pay extra attention to that. Again, holding the core straight up, begin hammering down.